Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to fix the Windows Security Center service not starting issue in Windows 11. If you're getting an error saying the Windows Security Center service can't be started, don't worry. I will walk you through step by step on how to solve this issue completely. Alright, let's get started. First, let's check if the Windows Security Center service is running. Press Windows R on your keyboard to open the Run dialog box. Type services.msc and hit Enter. Now scroll down and look for Security Center. If it's stopped or disabled, right-click on it and select Properties. Under Startup Type, make sure it's set to Automatic Delay Start. Then click Start if it's not running and hit Apply and OK. If you get an error while starting it, don't worry, let's try the second solution. We will check if the required services are running. Go back to the Services window and find the following services: Remote Procedure Call, RPC, Windows Management Instrumentation, and Security Center. Make sure all three of these services are running and set to automatic. If any of them are stopped, right-click, go to Properties, set them to Automatic, and click Start. If the issue persists, let's move on to the third solution. We're going to reset the Windows Security Center setting using Command Prompt. Click on the Start menu, type CMD, and choose Run as Administrator. Now type this command and press Enter, net start WSCSVC. Restart your computer and check if the problem is fixed. Still not working? No worries, let's try another fix. We will use the Registry editor to check if the Security Center keys are properly configured. Press Windows R, type Regedit, and hit Enter. Click to HKey Local Machine System Current Control Set, Services WSCSVC. Look for the Start D word entry, double-click it, and change the value to 2. Click OK and close the Registry editor. Restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved. If that still doesn't work, we will run a system file check. Open Command Prompt as Administrator again. Type the following command and hit Enter, sfc/scannow, and hit Enter. Wait for the scan to complete. If it finds and fixes corrupted files, restart your PC and check if the Security Center is working. Alright, one last method. If nothing else worked, we will perform a quick Windows update and repair. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. If updates are available, install them and restart your PC. Also, you can try the Windows Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters, find Windows Update, click Run. Follow the on-screen instructions. And that's it. One of these methods should have solved the problem. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech fixes. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.